Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find Terminal 15 fuses relays on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Here guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. Before we guys continue, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, you wonder now where Terminal 15 fuses relays are located. We're working a fuse box that's under the hood, but actually let's go ahead and start with the fuse box that's inside the vehicle guys. So what we need to do now, okay, we're going to go ahead and open the door. Coming on the left side of the steering wheel here, underneath, if you remove the panel, we have some fuses, relays, and we have more hidden relays right there in the corner guys. Now, we made a special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's on our channel. Video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. It will teach you all about your hidden fuses and relays. Now, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So the first thing we need to check guys, okay, here in the corner you have a relay. Now that relay guys, unfortunately we cannot show you, so we took pictures of it. And when we took pictures, okay, it looks something like this one. Okay, that's the relay picture. That's the diagram guys of that relay. And here specifically we need to check relay 1 and 3. These two relays will need to be checked. Now we're not done yet guys, okay. Under the hood facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side, we have another fuse box like this one. This is the fuse box layout for 2012 to 2017. And here specifically guys, okay, we will need to check relay 8. Fuse 8, and check these two relays and the mega big fuses as well here. Also, these fuses, the mega fuses, test those as well. There is very limited information, but it's very likely, okay, you have terminal 15 connection there as well. Here you want to check your big fuses as well guys, and on the front of that fuse box you're going to have the mega fuses that you will need to check. But that's where you can expect to find terminal 15 fuses and relays on Volkswagen Tiguan. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.